Hi, yes. Students, now we start with the next topic. The topic is relation. In the previous class, we find out the Cartesian product of the sets. In the Cartesian product, and what is the relation? The relation, it is denoted by capital R and a relation R is from A to B. A to B, and the relation is always a subset of the Cartesian product with the given specific conditions. Let us suppose that AB is set, A and B are two sets, and relation R is defined from A to B. Let us suppose that R be a relation defined by x comma y, where x belongs to the set A and y belongs to the set B. Then it is denoted by x comma y, or it is also written as in the order pair x comma y. So therefore the relation is always a relation. R is always a subset of the Cartesian product. For example, let us suppose that A is a set whose elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14, and R be the relation defined by x comma y. The condition is 3x minus y equals to 0. The condition is given that 3x minus y equals to 0, where for all x comma y belongs to the set A. The question is A set whose elements are 1 to 14 and relation R defined by x comma y, where 3x minus y equals to 0 for all x comma y belongs to the set A. First you represent this. This is the specific condition for the relation. 3x minus y equals to 0 and y equals to 3x. Putting the value of x from this set A, because x comma y both are belongs to set A. When we put x equals to 1, then y equals to 3. Therefore 1 is related to 3. When we put x equals to 2, x equals to 2, y equals to 6. X equals to 3, then y equals to 9. X equals to 4, then y equals to 12. When we put x equals to 5, then y equals to 15, but 15 is not belongs to set A, because x comma y both are belongs to set A. Therefore this part is not exist, only these are exist. Therefore when x equals to 1, y equals to 3, therefore 1 is related to 3. It is also written as 1 comma 3. 2 is related to 6, it is also denoted by 2 comma 6. 3 comma 9 and 4 comma 12. Therefore what is the relation R is written as 1 comma 3, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 9 and 4 comma 12. This R, and again we check, this R is a subset of A cross A. Yes. So therefore this is the relation. This relation is always depend upon the given conditions. Is it clear? And the second part of this, what is the domain? In this part relation there are three definitions. One is the domain of the relation, second is the codomain, and third part is the range of the relation. What is the domain? Domain is the set of all the first element of the relation. The set of all the first elements of the relation, that is relation is this. Then first elements 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what is the domain of this relation? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So therefore the domain is the set of first elements of the order pair or the given relation. Second, codomain of the relation. The codomain is the second set. Let me suppose that A be a relation R. Let me suppose that R be the relation from A to B. Therefore this set B is known as the codomain. Whole set B. In this part, in this question, because the relation R is defined from A to A. So what is the codomain of this? This set A is the codomain. Codomain, so what is the codomain? The set B, relation R from A to B, therefore set B is always known as the codomain. So in this question, what is the codomain? The set A is as it is the codomain. Second part, third part, range. The set of all the second element of the relation. All the second elements of the order pairs, that is known as the range. 3, 6, 9 and 12. 3, 6, 9 and 12. It is called the range of the relation. Again I repeat. Domain, the set of all the first element of the relation. Set of all the first element of the relation or the order pairs. And range is the set of all the second element of the relation. And what is the codomain? And the second set, whole set is known as the codomain. And how we can represent this relation in the arrow diagram? Set A to A. You write all the elements of A and A, and according to this, 1 is related to 3, 2 is related to 6, 3 is related to 4, and 3 is related to 9, and 4 is related to 12. Yes? Then these 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is the domain. This whole set, this is known as the codomain, and the set of those elements of the codomain which are related to the element of first set, these are called the range. 3, 6, 9 and 12. That is the range also. Next part, how we can find out the number of relation are from A to B. If A and B are two non-empty set, then how we can find out the number of relation? Number of relation is always written as 2 raised to n order of A cross B. Order of A cross B means n A into n B. Number of element in set A as well as the number of element in set B. It represents the number of relations from a set A. How many relations are possible? Then the number of relations is always written as 2 raised to n order of A cross B, or order of A cross B is also written as n A into n B. One more question related to this. Define the relation R on n. N is the set of natural numbers. N is the set of natural number defined by x comma y, where y equals to x plus 5, and it is also given that x is less than, not equals to, less than 4. The value of all the natural number less than 4 for all x comma y belongs to n. The question is, define this relation. The condition is this: y equals to x plus 5. So y equals to x plus 5. First you put the value of x from n. According to this, because x natural number less than 4, these are 1, 2 and 3. When we put x equals to 1, 1 plus 5, 6. So 1 is related to 6. When we put x equals to 2, 2 plus 5, 7. Then 2 is related to 7. When we put x equals to 3, 3 plus 5, 8. 3 is related to 8. Because in this statement, x and y both are the natural number, but it is given that x is less than 4. Less than 4 natural numbers, 1, 2 and 3. So therefore 1 is related to 6, 2 is related to 7 and 3 is related to 8. This is the relation. What is the domain? Domain is 1, 2 and 3. Codomain, all set from and natural number. Codomain is natural number. And what about its range? 6, 7 and 8. 6, 7 and 8. One more question related to this. Let us suppose that A is a set whose elements are 1, 2, 3, 5 and B is a set whose elements are 4, 6 and 9. A relation R is defined by x comma y. Mod x minus y is odd. The difference of x minus y is always odd, and it is given that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. The difference of x and y is odd. So 1 comma 4. 1 minus 4 is 3 or 1 comma 6 1 minus 6 5 or then 2 comma 9 2 minus 9 7 mod 2 minus 9 7 then 3 minus 4 mod 3 minus 4 is again negative then 3 minus 4 there is only one odd then and 3 minus 6 odd then after this 5 minus 4 odd and 5 minus 6 odd. Therefore 1 minus 4 1 is related to 4 1 minus 6 because it represents a mode is always positive quantity and the difference of x and y is always odd because x always belongs to the first set and y is always belongs to the second set. Again you verify your answer. All the element of the domain first set these elements are always belongs to the first set and the second elements are always belongs to the codomain. So what is the relation? R 1 comma 4 1 comma 6 2 comma 9 3 comma 4 3 comma 6 5 comma 4 and 5 comma 6. What is the domain? Domain of the relation 1 2 3 5. What about its range? Range of the relation 4 6 9. Yes, and what about codomain? Codomain is the second set. And what is the codomain? That is set B equals to 4 6 and 9. Okay.